time to call the colonel.
You like my chicken fried, a cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and a radio. And that's home, you know, sweet tea, pecan pie, homemade wine where the peaches grow. My house, it's not much to talk about, but it's filled with love that's grown in southern ground. A little bit of chicken fried. That mean the most, not where you live or what you drive or the price tag on your clothes. There's no dollar sign on a piece of mind. This I've come to know. So if you agree, have a drink with me, raise your glass and more to a little bit of chicken fried. Thank God for my life, for the stars and stripes. May freedom forever fly. Let it ring. Salute the ones who died, the ones that gave their life, so we don't have to sacrifice all the things we love, like our chicken fried. Just right, cruising Jupiter, I like to see the sun. See love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of precious time. No mother's love. Woo, all right, thank you.